Ishir, which country is this?
Greenland.
This is?
Canada.
Good job.
That is America.
Very good.
Mexico.
Superb.
Guatemala. Belize. El Salvador. Honduras. Nicaragua. Costa Rica. Panama.
Very good. This is?
Cuba, Jamaica, Bahamas, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Saint Kitts,
Yes.
Antigua, Barbuda,
Yes.
Saint Lucia, Dominica,
Yes.
Trinidad, Tobago,
Yes.
Grenada.
Good job. And the last one is?
Then mention dining.
Grenadine.
Grenadine.
Very good.